me show you how to create this date night eyeshadow.
Okay, so first I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay Primer Potion and apply that all over my lid, blend it out with my finger. When I'm using cream shadows, I like to use an actual eyeshadow base versus concealer because I feel like it moves around a little bit more. So this is the first color we're going to use. It's the Mercier Moonlight Caviar Stick. I'm just going to apply this to the front portion of the eyelid. Don't worry about being too neat with this, just kind of keep it on the lower portion of the lid because we're going to go ahead and blend that out. I'm using a fluffy brush from Morphe and just kind of blending out that top edge and outer corner. I like to move like a little bit faster when I'm using cream shadows. I'm just kind of like blending it upwards towards the brow bone. So this is what the end portion is going to look like. Next, I'm dipping into this gray shade from the Morphe 18CT Essentials palette. I'm just kind of like dabbing it on the outer portion and then blending it inwards. I just wanted like a warm kind of neutral brown in the outer corner. Of course, you could make it like a cool tone if you'd like. You could always use whatever shades you'd like and kind of switch up the look a little bit. I feel like this look would also be really pretty with like a pinkish kind of shimmery color on the lid portion. I'm just like blending it upwards and outwards, kind of maintaining a V shape in the outer corner. Just kind of blending it with that gold and applying a little bit to the lower lash line as well. Connecting it with the outer corner. Next, I'm going in with this white shade from the same palette, kind of sweeping it on the inner corner, a little bit onto the lower lash line, and a little bit onto the lid. Just kind of making sure all the edges are seamless, just for a little pop of light in the inner corner. Next, I'm going in with this like grayish black shade from the same palette and using a shader brush from the craft store. I love getting brushes at the craft store for like little liner and shader brushes, but I'm applying this to the outer half of my lash line, kind of making it thicker in the outer corner. Just kind of blending it upwards. This can be a little bit messy. It just kind of makes your eyelashes look a little bit thicker in my opinion. And then just kind of blending it on the lower lash line as well with whatever's like left on the brush. So just kind of bring that upwards. Next, here's another brush from the craft store. I'm drawing on an inner corner wing with the Maven Beauty brown liner, adding a little bit of mascara. This is the L'Oreal Telescopic Lift Mascara, and then I'm going in with false lashes, so I'm not applying a ton, and this is the completed look. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know down below if you have any questions or palette suggestions. Be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be notified of the next time I post. And then here is a clip of the look kind of zoomed out. I applied the Physicians Formula Watermelon Sugar Gloss, and that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.